Every anti-cancer drug kills more of the body's immune system than did. But you can develop the immune system. And if your immune system is developed, cancer gets killed. The day you shed your ego, you will be able to mix with naturopaths, Ayurvedas, Yajurvedas. Even quackery is okay as long as the quack has a kind heart. Let me tell you something very seriously. It's not the degree that matters. It is not what you have studied that matters. It is not the pati that matters. Whether it's allopathy, Ayurveda, this pati, homeopathy, that pati. No. It is how good a human being a doctor is. That matters a lot. If you are a good human being, you command the respect of the patient. When once you command the respect of the patient, we all demand the respect of the patient. I am a doctor, everybody must salute me. No. Command. They must feel you are worthy of respect. You are worthy of having faith in you. The word faith, F-A-I-T-H, is the most important thing in medicine. Not what you have learned about pathology. You know, pathology is studying the tombstone. You take a biopsy, then smear it on the glass slide, squeeze it so the cells are distorted, then poison it with hematoxin and eosin, and then rise it under the microscope. What do you see? The dead cells. That is why today we don't know what cancer is. Cancer is studied from the slide, and we classify it grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. The biggest biologist in the world who got 2 Nobel Prizes, his name is Albert Szent-Györgyi, has written a beautiful book for all of you to read. He says, Introduction to Submolecular Biology, where he says, I quote, I don't know what cancer is, where the cancer cell works exactly like a normal cell. Cancer cell is your own body cell, which is wandering all over the body because the environment has become so difficult for it to survive where it is. And in the bargain, it may put seedlings all over the place. Before it manifests in an organ, it has already manifested in so many organs in the body. See how important it is? Now our science is so ridiculous. Now let us say, it's an open hall now. A bird comes in here, sits on that projector. Now you call a scientist and say, why did this bird come here? Where is it going? What is it supposed to do? Do you know what he will do? He will catch hold of the bird, kill it, and make slides of it, and look at this and say, this bird has come from maybe a far off place. It is come to see all of you and see what the thing is happening. And this kind of a ridiculous thing, this is called reductionist science. What he says is, I don't know how any human being can kill a cancer cell without killing normal cells. How true? Every anti-cancer drug kills more of the body's immune system than did. But you can develop the immune system. And if your immune system is developed, cancer gets killed. So the whole science has to change into holistic science. This is called immune system development. That is what Ayurveda's basis is all about. Swasthasya swastha rakshitam. Preserve the wellness of the healthy people. Very profitable. You know, day before yesterday I was with the PM, I was telling him that future plan for integration of various systems. So he said, आप सब लिख के मुझे दे दीजिएगा, मैं सोच के बाद में आपको बुलाऊंगा. So you know, you have to do, this is a very important thing. What I do is, first thing, do you know what we do? This is my plan which I have been practicing. You must have a nurse trained to make a diagnosis first. In every taluka hospital, we must have a modern medical man because modern medicine is also important for quick fixes. You can't throw it out. If the water is bad in modern medicine, you can't throw the baby in the bathtub also out. Keep the water only out, get fresh water. So modern medicine, Ayurveda, naturopathy, Unani, and all other systems, homeopathy, everyone. Each one will be a consultant there. Basic degree, MBBS or a BMHEGDE or whatever. And they all sit around the table in the outpatient department at Taluka Hospital.